we are testing the GDS-3000 and the Agilent DSOX2000 for everyone to compare their dynamic range. First, we test the Agilent DSOX2000 2A. It is 70 MHz, 2G sampling rate digital storage oscilloscope. Input a standard 1 kHz and 2 VPP calibration signal to channel 1 as a basic test signal. When the vertical range is at 500 mV per division, we can observe a complete waveform without any distortion. But if we decrease the vertical range to 200 mV per division, we will find slight distortion appears at the bottom of waveform. If we further decrease the vertical range to 100 mV per division, we will find serious distortion appears at the waveform. Therefore, we can find easily the dynamic range for the Agilent DSOX2000 is completely insufficient. Then, we test the GDS-3000 in the same condition. Input a standard calibration signal as a basic test signal as well. When the vertical range is at 500 mV per division, we can observe a complete waveform without any distortion at the GDS-3000. When we decrease the vertical range to 200 mV per division, we can find waveform display is fine as well. When we further decrease the vertical range to 100 mV per division, we can find waveform is still complete and consistent. Therefore, we can easily find the GDS-3000 provides a very wide range of dynamic range. In comparison, and this enable user to observe the waveform easily at different range.